Psychometric approach, it is a single index of cognitive and aggregate abilities, whereas information processing approach tends to focus on how an individual exactly acts, how an intelligent person exactly acts to solve problems. Sounds very complicated, right? No problem, let's make it simple. Psychometric approach is basically like your exam report card that focuses on scores and is in love with numbers, whereas information processing approach focuses on how an individual is actually acts. It is like a behind the scene of a movie of your brain that focuses on what methods and acts were used to solve a particular set of problem. Still complicated? Not an issue. Approaches to intelligence. The next topic of our chapter 1, psychological attributes and their variation. Let's begin with an example. Let's suppose an example of two pathways. The two pathways are the two approaches of intelligence and the cards on them are the themes. All the cards will select either of the pathway to reach their location. Thus, all the approaches to intelligence are either psychometric or information processing. All the cards are of different shapes and sizes but will ultimately reach their destination of intelligence. Together, these approaches are a way for psychologists to study on intelligence. Psychometric approach. It is like a math test of intelligence, in love with scores and numbers, generally all the things that students fear of. This approach of intelligence is defined as a single and cognitive index of aggregate abilities responsible for measuring the mental capacity of an individual. Mainly focused on cognitive index is that scores of an individual. Two-factor theory, intellect model, and theory of multiple intelligence are generally classified under this approach. Information processing approach. This approach treats your brain as a supercomputer. It's not about how much you know, but how fast and smartly you can think in situations to solve problems. For example, solving a Rubik's Cube is a perfect example. This approach defines intelligence as the ability to process information efficiently and emphasizes the mechanism in intelligent behavior, such as perception, memory, problem solving. Past model triarchic theory of intelligence are classified under this approach.